Planning a trip with your little one can be overwhelming, but a well-prepared travel checklist can make all the difference. In this video, we'll delve into the essential items to pack, safety measures to consider, and organizational tips for stress-free travel with your baby. By following this checklist, you can ensure that you have everything you need to keep your baby comfortable, safe, and happy during your journey. Whether it's a short road trip or a long-haul flight, being prepared with the right essentials can turn a potentially stressful experience into a smooth and enjoyable adventure for both you and your baby. When packing for your baby, certain essentials are non-negotiable. Be sure to pack an ample supply of diapers, baby wipes for easy cleanups, bottles for feeding, formula or breast milk, and enough baby food to last the journey. Additionally, having extra clothing on hand is crucial for unexpected spills or changes in weather. By ensuring you have all these essentials, you can minimize potential sources of stress and keep your baby content and comfortable throughout your travels. Incorporating safety and comfort items is essential when traveling with your baby. A car seat is non-negotiable for any journey by car, ensuring your baby's safety during transit. A stroller or baby carrier makes it easier to navigate through various locations while keeping your baby close and secure. Don't forget to bring along your baby's favorite toys to keep them entertained and content during the trip. These items not only prioritize your baby's safety but also contribute to a more enjoyable travel experience for both you and your little one. Prioritizing your baby's health during travel is paramount, and having the necessary medical supplies is crucial. Packing baby medications, a well-stocked first aid kit, and a reliable thermometer ensures you're prepared for any health-related concerns that may arise while away from home. It's also important to consider any specific medical needs your baby may have and ensure that you have the relevant supplies readily available. By prioritizing your baby's health and medical requirements, you can travel with confidence, knowing that you're well equipped to handle any unforeseen health situations. Effective organization is key to a stress-free travel experience with your baby. We'll provide practical advice on how to efficiently organize your baby's essentials, ensuring that everything is readily accessible when needed. Additionally, managing travel documents, such as passports and boarding passes, in a well-organized manner can help streamline the journey. Preparing for unexpected situations, such as flight delays or weather-related issues, is also crucial for a smooth travel experience. By implementing these organizational tips, you can navigate potential challenges with ease and focus on creating lasting memories during your trip with your baby.